two ways to download Roblox on a PC or laptop so everyone can play. The first way is to open a web browser. Then go to our roblox.com/download. Then select Download the Windows app. After downloading the Roblox installer, left-click on it to start the installation process. It's that simple. You can install Roblox on a PC or laptop. So that's the first method. The second way is to go to the Microsoft Store. Search for Roblox. Select Install. Select Install. With this method, we can also download Roblox on a PC or laptop. Everyone will need to create an account or log in with their existing account to play. So that's it. I've shown you two ways to download Roblox on a PC or laptop. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, everyone.